Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, ScooterATVSales.com, bringing you a how-to video due to the demand from some of our customers that want to understand or don't understand how to install the training wheels on the Apollo RFZ 70cc, DB25 or the DB21. So you guys can see this is the hardware, you guys. Comes with the wheels over here packed in some nice bubble wrap. Now this is the exact hardware that it comes with, that's included with it. So you're going to have these 4 bolts, you're going to have some spacers over here where my finger's at. You're going to have some locking washers, a couple of cotter pins. These would be used to mount the wheels, as well with the locking castle nuts over here, you guys. Alright, so we're going to walk on over, and we did a pre-install already. We did not tighten it up yet. But what you're going to do, you guys, is first of all, you have a skid plate over here, the skid plate. Here's a couple of mounting bolts here on the outside. You just loosen these on both sides slightly. And then what you're going to do is you're going to loosen the existing bolts here. And I'll turn the camera under here so you guys can see. And then when you remove these bolts that are existing under, which support the skid plate mount, it'll loosen and drop the skid plate down a little bit. Then what you'll do is you will take these existing, which I pointed out here, you'll take these here, it will replace the ones that were currently on it. As you can see here, it's a little shorter. So you're going to use that with its existing spacers. There are spacers already on here. And then you're going to place the brand new bolt and mount it up inside here and tighten them up. And later you're going to loosen these 2 over here, which are the shorter bolts, you guys. So you can see these were already mounted underneath the motor mount area here. And then you're going to replace it with these spacers. Now they do give you a couple of extra spacers, so keep that in mind. So you'll only need 2 from the 4 that they provide you. And then you replace it as we did here on this side here. I'll go around the other side. With the bolts that they provide you, the longer bolts. So you'll have the spacer there. And then you'll have the bolts that go and mount your training wheels to the bottom of the motor mounts area. All right, so you hopefully you guys understand that portion of it. Again, this is the hardware, so you guys can see exactly what you get in your package. And then later, with the wheels, of course, you got spacers inside wheel area. You'll place your training wheel on as such. Then of course you use your castle nut here. You screw this on here. And then you have your cotter pin that you install on here, and you bend it back to lock it in. You'll have to bend it up and bend it back to lock it in place, you guys. So hopefully you guys understand, and this helps you understand how to mount your training wheels on your 70cc DB21 and the DB25, and it's similar also on the S60 from Vitassi. We'll remove this, you guys. So it's pretty simple, you guys. There are existing bolts here. You're going to loosen. You're going to replace it with the existing spacer here, and then the only spacers you're going to use in addition are the 2 extra ones out of the 4 they provide you, and use them here on this side. So if you guys have any questions, just comment, like, comment, subscribe, and this should help you guys understand how to install the training wheels on your Apollo RFZ 70, DB21, and the DB25. Hope you guys are well, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care.